Hi everyone, I'm glad I have a chance to share with you information about my family history because in the winter I received results of my DNA test, and according to the test I'm partly Lithuanian, partly Belarusian and Russian, and partly Jewish. Let's see if it's true according to my family history. So I'm citizen of Belarus and I hold a master's degree right now, but I'm a doctoral student and it is the highest educational degree in my family. My mother is a software engineer and she was born in Ukraine, but she's Lithuanian by nationality. My father is a Belarusian and now he's a businessman, but he used to be army engineer officer. His grandfather was Jewish and also engineer, and his mother was a college teacher, but she had a college level degree. Uh, my grandfather's mother was Jewish, and unfortunately, because of discrimination, she was forced to change her name to sound more Russian because it wasn't safe during the Second World War to state that you are Jewish for several reasons. Uh, my mother's family members were Lithuanian and Belarusian. Her mother was accountant and she had a college level degree, and her father was an army officer. And my grandparents, they were from a noble family which dates back to 15th century, as they were farmers, and I honestly saying do not know a lot about them except of their history. And one more important fact is that we are Belarusians, Russians, Ukrainians, but all countries speak Russian language, even though in Belarus, for example, we have two native languages, Belarusian and Russian, but 95% of people speak Russian language because Belarus is under Russian propaganda, and Russia tries to destroy culture and values of our Ukrainian and Belarusian people in order to make those countries parts of Russia. And even now, it is a process of joining Belarus to Russia. And for me, it's a huge problem because I value my history. Thank you for attention.